Need to expand your network without the hassle? Today, we're unboxing the high-focus 5-port desktop switch, model HF-EST105. It's a 10/100 megabit per second switch that promises to make expanding your home or office setup an absolute breeze. Let's get into it. The packaging highlights a few key things right off the bat: a sleek and compact design, low power consumption, and most importantly, zero configuration required. It's a true plug-and-play design that makes installation easy. And here is the unit itself. It's incredibly lightweight with a nice textured finish on top. You can see the indicator lights right here on the front for power and for each of the 5 ports. It's small enough to tuck away on a desk or mount on a wall out of sight. Around the back, we have our 5 auto-negotiation RJ45 ports. This is perfect if you need to hardwire a few extra devices like computers, printers, smart TVs, or IP cameras to your router. Finally, right at the bottom of the box, we have the included power adapter. It's a standard 5-volt, 600 milliamp adapter. Just plug this right into the side of the switch, connect your Ethernet cables, and you are instantly up and running. No software, no headaches, just solid wired internet. If it didn't work well for some of your devices, then TP-Link Smart Switch might just be what you need. I have a video on that too. Check it out.